Indicators cause delusion. I've seen it time and time again where a trader will convince themselves that something is taking place on the chart because their indicator was giving off a signal. So they take a position based on their signal, and sometimes they win, but more often than not, they lose. Then they start wondering if their indicator is broken. So they tinker around with its settings or look for a new indicator altogether. This process goes on, and for some traders, it never ends. No, the indicator isn't faulty. The concept is. The vast majority of indicators are based on a mathematical formula derived from past data, so by nature, they're lagging behind. They don't tell you what's happening or what will happen, they tell you what's already happened. Whether this data is useful or not is down to opinion. For some traders, it gives them some degree of confidence to make a decision. But the thing is, you don't need RSI to tell you if a stock has relative strength. You don't need stochastics to tell you when a reversal might happen. And you don't need MACD to tell you if a stock might be overbought or oversold. All of this data is shown on the chart itself. You can literally see when price is in an uptrend and how strong that uptrend is, simply by looking at the angle of which the price is moving and how much volume there is at certain stages of the trend. Most indicators provide the same data but in a slightly different format, so not only will they confuse you, but they'll produce so many fake signals that they end up doing more harm than good. In the end, you're much better off just studying pure price action, how stocks move, frequent patterns, and overall market structure. Look, I'm not saying it's not possible to use an indicator effectively. I'm just saying that, in my opinion, it's not necessary, because regardless of which indicators you use, ultimately it's how you interpret the data that matters. Anyway, there are other aspects that are much more vital to becoming a successful trader. These are the things you really need to focus on.